Today we're excited to introduce the HOMISSUE Tall Bookshelf, an 84-inch industrial masterpiece that combines style and functionality with its unique side design and rustic charm. This 7-tier bookshelf is perfect for any room in your home, offering ample storage space for books, magazines, and decorations while enhancing the overall aesthetic with its linear industrial appeal. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame and thickened MDF, this bookshelf ensures durability and stability, featuring an X-shaped back and locking wall buckle for added security. The adjustable feet provide balance on uneven surfaces, and the waterproof panels make cleaning a breeze, ensuring this piece remains a long-lasting addition to your home. With dimensions of 84.4 inches high by 23.3 inches wide and 11.8 inches deep, this tall bookcase is both a practical and stylish solution for organizing your space. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included, and our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions. Transform your living room, bedroom, or office with the HOMISSUE Tall Bookshelf, where functionality meets visual appeal in the most elegant way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.